What's the meaning of American breakfast? American breakfast. American breakfast. American breakfast. American breakfast. American breakfast.
An American breakfast typically includes a spread of hearty, filling foods like eggs, bacon or sausage, toast or pancakes with syrup, and coffee or juice. It is often considered the most important meal of the day in American culture and is served at home or in restaurants across the country. The high calorie content and large portion sizes make it a popular choice for those seeking a substantial breakfast to fuel their day. Overall, an American breakfast is a satisfying and indulgent way to start the morning.